Have you ever needed access to cash before your treasury bill or treasury bond reaches maturity? If so, you may have heard about rediscounting through the Central Bank of Kenya. But before making that decision, it's important to understand that rediscounting is not your only option. Many investors are unaware that they can also sell their securities through the secondary market. And depending on market conditions, this could potentially result in a more favorable outcome. Let's break it down. When you purchase a treasury bill or treasury bond, the expectation is usually that you will hold it until maturity. However, life doesn't always go according to plan. Unexpected expenses, business opportunities, school fees, property purchases, or other financial needs may require access to your funds earlier than expected. One option available to investors is rediscounting through the central bank. While this provides access to liquidity, it comes at a cost. The rediscounting process applies a penalty, which can reduce the amount you ultimately receive. As a result, some investors may receive less value than they anticipated. What many investors don't realize is that treasury bills and treasury bonds can also be traded in the secondary market through the Nairobi Securities Exchange. In the secondary market, your security is offered to other investors who may be looking to purchase it. Depending on factors such as prevailing interest rates, demand from investors, remaining term to maturity, and the characteristics of the security, a buyer may be willing to purchase your investment at a price that is more attractive than the rediscounting alternative. This is why it's important not to assume that rediscounting is automatically the best option. Instead, consider exploring the secondary market first. At Private Wealth Capital, we help investors assess available market opportunities and source potential buyers through the secondary market. Our goal is to help investors make informed decisions based on current market conditions. Every situation is different. Sometimes rediscounting may be appropriate. Other times, selling through the secondary market may provide a better outcome. The key is understanding your options before making a decision. Because when it comes to investing, informed decisions often lead to better results. Before exiting your treasury bill or treasury bond early, take time to explore all available alternatives. Your investment deserves a market assessment before you accept a penalty. Talk to Private Wealth Capital and discover what opportunities may be available in the secondary market. Before accepting a rediscounting penalty, find out what your security may be worth. Private Wealth Capital, helping investors make informed decisions. To start your investment journey or learn more, get in touch with Private Wealth Capital today. We are here to guide you every step of the way.